to Python Lab Assignment 4, and we are team ID 7, and this is my first CNN model. And here is the cleaning the data. First of all, this is for the tokenization, and here for the loading the data of the polarity data here, and here this is for the sequencing it uh, padding, which pads all the sentences in the same length, and the length is defined by the longest sentence, and it returns the padded sentences. And this is the build vocabulary function, which builds the vocabulary mapping from word to index based on the sentences, and it returns the list of the vocabulary mapping and inverse vocabulary mapping. And this is the function of build input, which maps the sentences and labels to vectors based on vocabulary. And this is the load data function. And here, coming to CNN model, for text classification using CNN model, we have used the positive and negative polarity datasets. First we have loaded in this here, like here loaded the dataset, and then we split the data into words and generate the labels, and then we return the vectors, labels, and vocabulary and inverse vocabularies, and then we split the process data into the train and test of our model. And here we are using the epochs of 20 and batch size of 80, and here we're defining the convolution layers and the pooling layers here, and here we are compiling, and here we're fitting the model, and here we are doing the plotting. And our this is CNN model. For CNN model, we got an validation accuracy of 0.74, and uh, then I will show the LSTM model. For the LSTM model also we use the same dataset, and here we are loading the data, and here we are defining all the variables, and then we are using the embedded layer here and LSTM layer here and one dense layer, and then we are compiling it here, and here we are fitting the model, and then we are plotting the LSTM loss and LSTM accuracy, and I will show the graphs of all of this in the at the end. And then here, image classification. For image classification we have used the CIFAR dataset, and then here we have used the various layers: activation layer, convolution layer, maximum pooling, and we also use the dropout layers. uh, and here we used the RMS prop optimizer, and then we are compiling, and loss is equals to categorical cross entropy, and then we are fitting the model here, and then evaluating the model and plotting the cipher loss and accuracy. uh, okay, I will show you. This is the accuracy curve for LSTM, and this is loss curve for CNN, and this is the accuracy curve for CNN, and then this is the loss curve for CFAR, and this is the accuracy curve for CFA. Thank you. Have a good day.